Hey everyone, I'm David, Beauty Director at Sephora.
And I'm Lauren. I'm on the skin and hair team at Sephora.
It's December, the year is ending. Play by Sephora box this month is all about award-worthy beauty. And we think that the Play Subscriber of the Year award goes to all of you. You guys are so great.
Yeah.
And you're so much fun, and we love how much you are willing to explore beauty. So this month's box is filled with the best nominees for all of your makeup, skincare, and hair care.
Yes. And as you guys know, there are multiple versions of the box, so you won't be getting everything we talk about today, but you are going to be getting an awesome box for you.
I think it's time to celebrate some makeup.
Let's do it.
Okay, and good.
Okay. There is so much in this box.
So much
which
good
is
stuff.
Amazing. From Anastasia Beverly Hills, we have their Dip Brow Gel in dark brown, and I love her products.
All of them.
I mean, I don't really have brows, so her brow products have been life-changing for me.
Yeah.
This is a highly pigmented brow gel that is waterproof. You don't want to wipe away your brows, and
Find it
these
down here.
stay on all day. Dense, fuller-looking brows. It's really
Quick.
defined.
Quick
yeah.
and easy. Up next is from Bobbi Brown. This is the Long Wear Cream Shadow Stick in the shade Golden Pink. I love these shadow sticks. These are a sleeper hit to me. I don't think enough people realize how amazing this product is. It is a cream eyeshadow in a stick form. This particular shade is a peachy pink shade. It's great for everyone. They glide on so creamy and smooth.
Pretty. That shade.
I love this.
Yeah.
And you can blend it out really easily, but once it sets, and it stays there for a long time. It's budge proof. So this is a great product to use on its own. Just sweep it across your eyes, dab it in, throw some mascara on and go. Or use it as a base for your more artistry-based looks. It's a fantastic base primer. I highly recommend, if you get this and you like it, pop into a Sephora and try out some of the other shades because they're all incredible.
They are beautiful.
So
beautiful.
gorgeous.
And next up from Grande Cosmetics, we have the Grande Drama Intense Thickening Mascara in black.
I know you love
Yes,
this one.
This is a thickening formula that really just coats the lashes, gives you that volume. And what's nice about this formula is it has castor oil in it. So it is just really nourishing. It gives you those dense, glossy, full-looking lashes. And next up from Wander Beauty, we have their Lip Retreat Oil in the shade Skinny Dip. So it's this beautiful nude shade. It has a glossy shine to it. And it has a blend of oils from avocado oil to apricot kernel, and it leaves your lips feeling really moisturized and nurtured.
It's treating your lips, but it also looks really good. So up next from Stila is the Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner in the shade Intense Black. This is a classically fantastic liquid eyeliner. It is long wear. It's a beautiful, rich, intense black. It stays put once it sets all day until you remove it.
Yep.
But it glides on really smooth, and this marker like felt tip precision point applicator makes it really easy to control it, which is a key element when it comes to applying a liquid liner. It makes it so difficult. This one really gives you the freedom to go really thin or to press and get really thick, but you can maintain control the whole time.
It is really foolproof.
Foolproof.
Makes it so easy.
Definitely award-worthy beauty right here, and makes your liquid application so much more red carpet ready.
From Smashbox, we have their Superfan Mascara in black, and this is a lengthening mascara that just gives you fanned out volume. It has this brush that is like a 360 precision brush.
It's great.
It coats every single lash.
Every lash.
Every single lash, just even the small, hard to reach ones like the inner corner for me.
My fellow beauty director, Jeffrey, is obsessed with this mascara. So he's definitely put his stamp of approval upon it. I know he's like, literally, it's always with him.
Jeffrey approved.
Yes.
So. And next up from Marc Jacobs Beauty, we have the Highliner Gel eye crayon eyeliner in Blacker 42. It is an easy glide eyeliner in a crayon form. It wears all day.
All day.
It is waterproof, and it's a satin finish, this beautiful black shade.
Yeah, and I think that the gel formula allows for a really smooth, easy glide, but it's also really good to blend out if you want like a base for a fantastic smoky eye. It works really good for that. So up next is from Lancôme. This is Monsieur Big Mascara in classic black. I've fallen in love with this since they launched it.
You talk about it all the time.
All the time. It's an ultra creamy, rich black formula. And when you combine it with this wand, they did a great job of pairing a fantastic wand that has just enough volume and bristles to it. So you can build the length and the volume of your lashes quick and fast, but they stay feathery, separated, fluttery, natural looking. It wears all day.
And you put this one on me.
I put it on you. And I really was not worrying about like clumping or anything like that. It was just really quick, easy application. I love this formula.
And last but not least, from Urban Decay, we have their all-nighter, long-lasting makeup setting spray. This is a setting spray with a microfine mist that leaves your makeup feeling just fresh. It has this temperature control technology.
It's so interesting.
It's really, really awesome. So it basically lowers the temperature of your makeup so that it stays put all day. And it leaves your skin just satiny smooth, and your makeup doesn't crease, it doesn't crack, it doesn't settle into fine lines. So
it's an award winner.
It is. And next up, we have so much skincare in this box.
And good stuff. And some new stuff.
First up from Way, we have their body cleanser. We are so excited about this. Way is into skincare now.
So exciting.
We love you, Way.
Yeah, we do.
This is a body cleanser with jojoba seed oil and rosehip oil. It just soothes the skin, it hydrates, and what's really cool is it has these skin balancing probiotics in there and a really fruity floral light scent.
Up next is also from Way, and this is the body creme. This is an incredible moisturizing whipped body cream. It is so luxurious feeling. It is filled with cupuaçu butter, coconut oil, and squalane, all of which are really great hydrating ingredients, you know. And they're really good at soothing and balancing your skin, but it's also got this incredible scent. Smell how lovely that is.
Oh, yeah. It feels like I'm at the spa.
Right yeah. Now. There's like soft, subtle notes of citrus and spices and a little touch of floral, but it's really soft, so it won't counteract if you layer fragrance. And I think we're really excited about these Way skincare products.
We are.
Up next is from Dermalogica, and this is the Daily Microfoliant Exfoliator. And I have to say, this was the first like real skincare I ever bought in my 20s. I used this for years. I actually credit this face now to using this.
Baby soft skin.
Seriously. It is a rice-based powder that also has salicylic acid, colloidal oatmeal, as well as tea tree oil. So you use a little bit, like a dime size amount. You apply some warm water to it and it will froth up and then just massage it over the skin and allow it to do its exfoliating properties. And I'm telling you, within one use, you will see the appearance of smoother, more radiant looking skin. It's really great for pre-shave for guys. So either you or a guy in your life, use it before you shave. It's fantastic.
And I love this one because it has colloidal oatmeal in it, so it's soothing. So even though you're exfoliating, you get that calming aspect of it too. So.
And I have reactive sensitive skin, so I think that was a big key element in why this was such a successful product for me.
And next up from Dr. Brandt, we have the Needles No More Baggage Eye Depuffing Gel. And this one is exclusive to Sephora. It's an eye depuffing gel that really reduces the look of dark circles, puffiness around the under eye, especially during that holiday.
During the no sleep holiday season.
It really brightens up the look of your under eyes instantly. And from Sol de Janeiro, we have their Brazilian Boom Boom Cream. We have a lot of fun here.
Boom Boom.
And this one is a cult favorite. I feel like when I'm walking around the office, I'm like, You're wearing Boom Boom.
I smell the Boom Boom cream.
It is this delicious, like salted caramel pistachio scent.
It's really a lovely scent.
This body cream just smooths the look of skin. It has guarana extract in it, which is an Amazonian plant that has caffeine, so it really wakes up the look of your skin.
Gets that circulation going.
Yes, I love it.
So up next from Fresh is the Soy Face Cleanser. I love this product because it's a gentle yet effective cleanser. So it's going to remove dirt, debris, and makeup, but it's not going to strip your skin. And I think that's a key element for me, especially when it comes to a cleanser, is that it's not removing or inhibiting your natural skin's moisture barrier or your pH. So you get that fresh cleanse feeling, but you also stay hydrated, stay calmed, which is really important. There's also soy proteins in here. Now, these proteins are really great at helping your body kind of maintain that elasticity and suppleness of your skin. So you have that appearance of younger looking skin, even though you're cleansing. All around great and gentle.
So gentle. And also from Fresh, we have their Fresh Rose Deep Hydration Moisturizer, a lightweight gel cream, but it's so hydrating.
So hydrating.
It has hyaluronic acid in it, and it has these hydro patches that create this moisture veil for your skin. So it just really locks in that moisture for just 24 hours.
Also, I love the fragrance of the whole Rose collection from Fresh. I will open them just to smell them. I'm like,
But it does have that rose water in it, which soothes dry skin.
It's just all around a great product. So up next from Tarte, we have the Drink of H2O Hydrating Boost Moisturizer from the Rainforest of the Sea collection. This is exclusive to Sephora. It's a really great hydrating gel formula moisturizer. So that really does mean it's good for everyone from dry to oily. It absorbs really fast into the skin, but it definitely provides you with that key hydration. So we've got hyaluronic acid in here. We have sea salts in here, which actually work as like electrolytes to balance the natural hydration of your skin. There's also marine algae, which is really high antioxidant levels. So it's protecting your skin from free radicals, stressors, pollution. So overall, this is a really powerhouse hydrating moisturizer that can be used by anyone. And I particularly find it really great as a prep for makeup. I think it works because of that quick absorbency and because of the gel formula. It just goes on really fast, gives you what you want, but then it allows your makeup to just go glide on so perfectly with no additional texture. It's fantastic moisturizer. It's bonus time. So what do we got? What's first?
So first up, we have Dry Bar's Blonde Ale Brightening Shampoo and Conditioner.
Next up from Living Proof, this is the No Frizz Nourishing Styling Cream.
And last but not least, we have the Amika 3D Volume and Thickening Shampoo and Conditioner. And don't forget, you guys have your playbook, which has everything you need to know about the products you're getting this month, fun tips, tricks, and then you've got your cute little play bag.
So cute.
Which is reusable, recyclable, and travel friendly.
Don't forget to share your unboxing videos with everyone. We'd love to see them. Just be sure to use the hashtag #SephoraPlay so that everyone can see. We love that.
Yes, we love it.
And let us know in the comments section below which of these products you guys want to give awards to so that we can celebrate them. Let's celebrate our favorite products. So until next time, have a great December and we'll see you guys soon. Bye.
We're done.
And hair care.
Woo! Oh. It's my turn.
I think it's time to party with some makeup, don't you?
Let's do it.
Let's jump into this.
I can't get this over my... And then next...
Whoa, dominoes!
Did you hear my stomach?
I did. We're both so hungry.
Jack, did you hear my stomach over there?
Oh,
did you hear
we're both
my
hungry.
stomach?
Yeah, I think they're talking to each other.
And
sorry, I don't know what I was doing. I was like zoning out to the camera. I was like, I did an I Dream of Jeannie moment. I was like, ding.
And don't forget, you guys have your playbook. Did you just wink at the camera?
I did wink at the camera. That's it. That's all makeup. Bye!
Done.